Hello, everybody. Good to have you here. We're going to talk about how to do your first assignment. So, what you'll do is go to Clever, and then when you look for pages, and you go into Ms. Geiger's page that looks like this, you'll see Adobe Express right here. So, Adobe Express has the palette with the little paintbrush. You can click on that, and once you do so, it'll take you to a page that looks like the one you're about to see. On the way, you might see a login. It might ask you to log in through Google. You can click on that. Just make sure it's using your school and student email as you get in. So you might see that prompt coming up here, but I'm already logged in, so mine's going to take me to the main page. Okay, so once you are in Adobe Express, you're going to see a lot of different options. You want to click on Animate Your Voice. And once you do that, you're going to get a lot of different options to choose between your character, your background, and the size of what you're recording. So you can choose any of the characters that you see. You can be creative with it. There's people, there's no people. It's pretty cool. You can also choose your background. You can choose one that they've already have here for you, or you can upload an image and do that as well. One thing that you'll see I did is I uploaded a picture of myself, and then for my character, I just chose a pair of lips and put it over my lips. So that's a possibility as well. So once you have that all chosen, you want to go down to the left corner and click record, and that's where you're going to put your responses to your assignment. So you can go back to your page, kind of write down or make note of what you would like to say in terms of your name, what you like to do for fun, school activities, and a story that you currently enjoy. So you'll hit record, you'll do that. Once it stops, I'll show you where to go from there. So the next thing you're going to see is once you have everything in and you submit, then you're going to wait for it to generate your preview and do all the different things you need it to do. I just did a quick test on this one, so you'll have to wait a second for it to do everything that you need it to do. Once your animation is ready, you'll be able to preview it right here. You won't be able to hear mine, but I can. Testing, 1, 2, 3. And then the next thing you'll want to do is click on download. Actually, open in editor. There are a lot of options here, but I mainly need you to go up here and make sure that you put a proper title into what you're saving. So I'm going to put Get to Know You Test, since I'm testing this. And that will save it with a title. And then from there you can hit share. It might take a second, but once you hit share, you can go through. Central Dolphin's going to be probably the best thing. Copy link. And then you can go into your assignment and put your link right here. And now I'll be able to access it when I look at your paper. All right, that's all you need. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.